guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Garrett.
And we are the Leffersons. Today, we have another mystery pin unboxing. So if you watched our previous video, which we'll leave linked up above and down below, we opened the Disney Animators Princess Collection, but the Series 1 mystery pin boxes. So check that out if you did not already. But yesterday in the mail, we just got Series 2. Which I'm super duper excited for. Garrett, you can show them the boxes.
Of course I will. So in Series 2, we have the continuation of our adorable princesses. We have ourselves Rapunzel, Snow White, Jasmine, is that Aurora?
That's Aurora.
Aurora,
yeah.
and we think that's Tinkerbell and maybe Mulan.
That one is Mulan.
It is Mulan.
I can confirm. I don't know why Tinkerbell is on there because she's not a princess. And frankly, I don't think it's very cute. I've already kind of seen it, but it's okay. I do want all of the other ones for sure.
So 1000% sure I know my wife will want Rapunzel, and that's why she bought it.
I am channeling my inner Rapunzel right now. I'm wearing my Rapunzel ears. I'll leave them linked down below. And my shirt is also a really great princess shirt. And this is like Rapunzel right here. It kind of represents all of the different princesses. I got it from Hot Topic, I think last year, but I'm trying to channel my inner Rapunzel so that we get a Rapunzel. And we also got two of these that we're going to unbox. They are the brand new, they're like movie posters. You can get Aladdin, Beauty and the Beast, Mulan, and Little Mermaid, and then there's two mystery ones, which I don't know. We only got two of these boxes because
who knows?
I don't really think we want to collect them all. Aladdin might be cool, Beauty and the Beast might be cool. Also, I just want to know what the mysteries are. So what should we start with?
I already have one opened.
Oh, okay.
So in each of these boxes, there is one pin and it comes in a blind bag. So get rid of the box.
Garrett.
Sorry. And we're gonna start strong and come out the gate just excellent
Yes!
all the way. And we have ourselves. She can't handle it right now. Rapunzel. Now these are a little bit different. They're a different style than a lot of pins we've seen before. They're like bubbly.
Yeah.
So they come off of the pin and they're thick. And they are like puffy
Yeah, they
things.
remind me of like puffy stickers or like those puffy stickers.
So there's little Pascal right there looking up at her, and she is just painting as hard as she can.
I love it. Okay, guys, we're starting
So we're
off great.
done. That's
really
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, leave a comment down below of your favorite pin. There's only one.
Okay, but I think Garrett really wants Jasmine. Because
Go for it.
You are a big Aladdin fan.
That was like a formative movie for me. And I had a huge crush on Jasmine, and everybody wants a tiger. It's only $2,000 according to
If we get Jasmine, then that's gonna make, oh, we got Mulan. She just like, so there's cherry blossoms. I'll show you her.
Interesting.
I feel like I didn't really think that she looked like Mulan, but I guess it is her because of the cherry blossoms. She's adorable. But she just doesn't really look like Mulan to me. I don't know.
Interesting.
Yeah. Like, it's cute, though. I just don't, I don't know. I feel like they could have made her look different. I don't know. We're also not Mulan collectors, so no judgment here on the pin. I don't know. It's not the cutest thing, but I think we're gonna keep it because it would be nice to have all the princesses, for sure.
All right, box number 3.
2 for 2 so far.
Now you jinxed it. We're gonna
knock on wood, knock on wood.
We're gonna. That was a good catch.
That was a good catch.
You did good.
I gotta find another box to open over here.
So far, so good. We got ourselves Aurora, and she looks beautimous. We watched this the other day.
Yeah,
and
Sleeping Beauty.
I hadn't
watched it.
I hadn't seen it in a minute.
It's been a long time.
So this is the Animators Collection. If you look really close, it's almost like there's a sketch. So you can like see the center line there, and it's just rough enough to be like a drawing. It's so detailed.
Oh,
and again,
I love that.
it is like 3-dimensional, and these are hefty pins.
They are. They're very heavy, and they're a double pin back too,
Yes.
which is really cool. Okay, 3 for 3. Knock on wood. Let's hope we continue this stroll. Oh my gosh, we got Tinkerbell. Okay, so this is the one that I feel like isn't as cute as the others. It's also a lot smaller. But I mean, Tinkerbell's small.
Exactly. It's just portraying her diminutive status.
And this one still has a
pin
double
backs.
pin back.
They
For
squeeze them in
as
there.
little as it is. It's like, I dropped it. It's just like not my favorite, but it's okay. It's okay.
She looks so. Tinkerbell is always.
Why didn't they do Merida?
Tinkerbell is always shown as just so like skinny and lithe, and if you look real close, she's got like that little baby pudge. It's kind of
Yeah,
cute.
she kind of does.
It's kind of got that cute little pudgy thing.
Oh, yeah, she does. That is kind of cute, actually.
All right, box number 6.
Nope, box number 5.
Box number 5.
We still need Snow White and Jasmine. You've got to get Jasmine.
Well, good thing I just got Jasmine.
Oh my gosh, we have seriously lucked out so well with these.
Look at Jasmine. She looks so contemplative, and Raja looking up at her with those great big eyes.
Oh, she's cute.
Oh, that's good. This is so good. This is probably one of my new favorite pin series.
Yeah.
This is like a club, barely beating out like the handbags and the shoes.
Yeah,
or princess
he
pins.
loves the mystery bags, the big ones that have 5 of them. He loves the handbag ones. Like,
yes,
loves them. Okay, so
all we need is
Snow White. If we get Snow White, that would be insane. If you've watched our pin unboxings before, like we'll leave some of them linked down below. This is actually going to be in like a pin unboxing playlist, so we'll leave our playlist linked down below.
Yep.
But we like suck at mystery pin unboxing. We're like we never get anything we want.
Maybe someone at Disney Shipping.
Oh, we got another
Close.
Jasmine. That's okay though, only one that we need to find. I will say in our last one, I was able to find someone to trade for Cinderella.
Lickety split too, like the next day.
Yeah.
So if you have a Snow White and you need a Jasmine, hit us up on Instagram. It's the Leffersons, or kind of message us on YouTube.
Yeah.
And we'll figure some stuff out. If you're intimidated about online pin trading, Alyssa just put up like a pin trading 101. Go check it out. She does all of it. She manages it.
It's all about pin trading online.
It's awesome.
So there's a lot of useful information on there for sure. But oh my gosh, I think this one will be a really good trader too, because she is just adorable.
Just like in series 1, we went 5 for 6 out of 6
Let's
boxes.
just show you.
Oh,
we got Mulan, Tinkerbell, 2 Jasmines, Rapunzel, and Aurora. Let me see Rapunzel. I didn't even really get to look at her. She's so cute. She's obviously my favorite. So what is your favorite pin? This is obviously my favorite pin. Which one's yours?
I think Aurora.
Really?
Yeah, I have a newfound appreciation of her after watching Sleeping Beauty, and she's just so dang gorgeous.
And she is super adorable in that pin too.
Like I'm gonna have to next time when the park's open, I'm gonna like take a good hard look at Aurora and be like, are you as pretty as she is?
Also, I feel like we've been watching the Magic Happens parade from Disneyland all the time. Literally, I watch it like every day because it just makes me feel like happy. I recommend watching it. It will make you feel happy.
We'll leave it linked
really
down
sad
below.
too. But Aurora's dress at the end is
so cool.
beautiful.
So cool.
I love her whole float. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Okay, let's continue.
We have some bonus unboxings beyond the series too, and as Alyssa said, it is from the golden era. There's actually a new documentary that just came out about this era, about Beauty and the Beast and all that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I
It's
didn't know
called
that.
like Waking Sleeping Beauty.
Is it on Disney Plus?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, we'll have to watch it.
Yeah, I was gonna watch it the other day, but
you can't watch things without me.
I know.
Okay, I'm gonna open the first one this time.
Go for it.
I would really like either Aladdin or Beauty and the Beast, or I just want to see what the mystery ones are. I'm dying to know. They feel like pretty decent sized pins.
Yeah, and there's one pin per box as always. Usually, it will tell you.
Yeah, so this one, these boxes retail for $10, $9.99. So usually when they retail for $10, there's only 1 pin in there. If they retail for like $15, there's usually 2 in there. Okay, so our first one is Beauty and the Beast.
Well, there we go.
Which is one of the ones that I think we would want. We have a decent Belle collection for sure. We'll add this to her. And that's really pretty. And she's wearing like a
Provincial belt.
Yeah, is that Provincial Belle? It looks like she's like in purple, but that probably is Provincial Belle. That's super cute. I like that one.
And this other pin you could see coming from just around the river bend.
Oh, so
Pocahontas.
that's one of the mystery ones.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
So you see Flick and Miko, and I remember like seeing these in the movie theater when I was a child many moons ago. But they have a nice little frame around them, and they are double pin back. And have you noticed that on this pin series, they've all been sandbacks? It hasn't been a waffle.
Yeah, I have noticed that actually. Very interesting. I know. I like that it says 2020 on the back. We don't have a lot of pins that say 2020, though 2020 is not panning out to be a great year.
No.
Not gonna lie, but these were really fun. I don't think we'll keep the Pocahontas one, but I really want to know what the other mystery one is. If you guys know what it is, comment down below. I really want to know what the other mystery is. Maybe we'll trade that for the Aladdin or maybe the other mystery, depending on what it is.
I would assume it's from that golden era.
Yeah.
Maybe Lion King.
Ooh, that would
I bet
be.
it's Lion King.
I would like Lion King. That would be a good one. All right, I think that's it for today. You'll have to comment down below. Let us know what you think about this series. Let us know what your favorite pin was. We have been really, really lucking out.
Yeah.
We have some other pin unboxings to do, so we'll see how lucky we are in the future. But this was a good pull for sure. Subscribe to our channel for more Disney content. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
See you later. I'm gonna go play Animal Crossing.